too bad. Top rack bang took care of that. Good to hook. Look at that, no rear sight, no front sight. Still hit steel at 100 meters. No big deal. Now you gonna talk some shit? And there goes the back. Next mag. That was a cook-off. We'll not put that on there, yeah? Awesome. Go fuck yourself, Rex.
Please tell me you got that.
Group, and we put in a standard military one, just to show you that it'll run that. Why won't it charge my gun? I hit it a lot. There's more holes in it, dude. You want to come over here and shoot iron sight standing? Go for it.
You're never gonna hear the end of it.
Huh? Retake. The torture test is going to consist of, you know, different tests. That's gay. Start again.
Let's start again.
All right, go ahead.
How long have you been doing this for, Ryan?
What, military stuff? Or this? There's just a bunch of shit in the gun, man. I mean, no fault to that. Nice and easy.